The HTC over-limit alarm sounds when the solvent temperature in the boil chamber reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit. This error is typically experienced under one of two conditions. The level of the solvent in the wash is too low, or the wash contains sufficient solvent, but the solvent contains a large amount of dissolved wax. The following steps are recommended when troubleshooting an HTC over-limit alarm. First, press the silence and reset buttons on the dashboard to stop the alarm. Then, at this point, you must top off the boil chamber with solvent up to the max fill line. Then, restart the wash heater. Note, older Wash 1 units do not have a max fill line. When the solvent is becoming oversaturated with wax, the HTC over-limit alarm may sound the same day you top it off, a sign that the boil chamber should be drained and refilled. If the HTC limit alarm sounds immediately after you top off the solvent, drain the boil chamber following the proper drain procedure. You can also reference our proper drain procedure video. Safely discard the wax-saturated solvent, then refill the boil chamber with fresh solvent. Once fully filled, restart the heaters in order to return the wash to normal operating temperature, and then proceed with washing. If you are still receiving this error even after refilling the wash with new solvent, please contact support immediately.